on Top Step TV soon. And I didn't forget. I didn't forget. You do want to trade with Dakota, so I got that in mind. I gotta have my people talk to his people. Dakota's a busy guy. He Hollywoods us a lot of time. But we'll see if we can get him on air with you soon, Ofek. But nice trade there. Nice trade management. And we will
Man.
talk to you soon. We're going to bring in that Top Step tip of the week. We just saw Ofek do that actually with the trade he just took. Optimize position sizing. Calculate size based on account risk. Adjust for market volatility levels. Never exceed your personal loss limit and size down after consecutive losses. We just saw Ofek do that, right? He said he has a $10,000 balance in that account. So trading 3 minis is just way too much risk. So calculating that size based on the account risk, not how much you want to lose, make or lose. Usually it's, when we see traders over leveraging, they're thinking about how much they can make and not really considering how much there is to the downside. So optimize your position sizing. We got another guest coming up in just a little bit here. And yeah, Gandhi, maybe that joke stopped, but they can all work. Who do we got here? Let's open the door. Coach Vinny Lamborghini. What's going on? How we doing today?
What's up, fellas? How's it going today?
Going pretty good, man. Going pretty good. How you doing?
Nice. Good, man. I'm short the NASDAQ. I'm short the NASDAQ right now, looking for a pretty big move here. We'll see what happens. I took an L though in the Dow before all that madness happened. So, but yeah, we're short NASDAQ here. Let's see what happens here. I'm looking for continuation to the downside.
What are you short there? Micros, minis, and what price?
I'm short one micro, 25.673.50. I'm looking for 25.12.50. So I'm looking for a huge move. Call me crazy, but that's my target today.
Hey, nothing crazy.
Yeah. What was that downside target, Vince?
25,012.50.
Oh, wow. All right. That is a hey, why not?
Hey, if I get that move, that's it.
It's a hell of a trade, Vince.
That's a good wishing order.
That would be early candidate for trade of the year.
My trading card is in my pocket, man. That's it. It's sitting right here.
Nice. I like it.
See what happens here.
How many micros are you short, Coach Vince?
Just one.
Just one.
Gotcha. Just one.
From 673, 25,608 last trade here in the NASDAQ. S&P looks like it wants to take out that low of the day potentially here. 69.44 half last trade in the S&P. Dow on its lows as well. 49,150. Metal's kind of slowing down a little bit here. Vince, talk to us about that target. What are you seeing down there?
Just yeah, let me see if I can pull up here a daily chart here. So I'm looking
and have them put some pressure on it for you.
Yeah, let's unload it. No, so I'm looking to try to get back into this zone, like just before these wick lows, to see if we can just clean out. I mean, we're in a range, right? So, we're consolidating. I'm hoping that maybe we could take this out and test into these guys. But we're in this range right now, and I'm just thinking that maybe something bigger is coming today. I don't know for sure, but we have an order down there, and we're just going to let it work.
Stuff there, Coach Vince. Seeing a little bit of selling coming in here in the gold market, 46.16s. Last trade there, $91 even last trade in silver.
I may be looking for a short in the Dow too. We'll see. I might try
on its lows here. I think it just made a new low. Yep, new low in the Dow, 49,117, and continuing to sell here.
Yeah, I think I missed that one. That one sold off pretty quick.
Looks like the Dow and the Russell taking the lead now. NASDAQ looked like it was leading us to the downside earlier. We do have Myron speaking right now. Deregulation last year was substantial and is expected to continue. Perhaps 30% of regulations could be eliminated by 2030, cutting inflation by perhaps half a percent point a year. Seeing the Dow continuing to sell here. We also did get that crude oil inventory number out, came in at 3.391 million. Forecast was negative 1.682 million. Uh, so New Year, same EIA. 61.72 last trade there in crude. Numbers just way off all the time.
Tell you one thing, it was a wild open for everything. So I'm
Yes, it
watching
was.
some other stuff. Like I have a portfolio I'm trading, and there's some stocks in there and stuff. It's just been wild. It was a chaotic open for everything. So,
Yeah, we saw the Nasdaq sell off 70 points, bounce back up 80 points, and then
yeah,
continue to sell off. Pretty wild open there for sure. With the uncertainty of a potential Supreme Court opinion, and top of the hour came, we didn't get it. Saw the markets bounce, and now back on their lows here. Interesting day for sure.
yep. You guys got anything going on right now, or?
Just scanning right now. Just scanning. I'm looking at. Honestly, we saw the S&P, we saw the Nasdaq do this yesterday, right, where it took out the low of the day and then turned around. So I'm kind of,
Mhm.
it feels like a no man's land trade here right now, right? If I do something here, it feels like a 50-50. But if we
Right.
react to that low and we don't get follow through, maybe I could be convinced to buy it there. But sitting on my hands right now. Jack, any levels that you see now, uh, hour into the market here?
Yeah, lows of the day line up perfectly with 6,900, big fat round number in the SPX. If I take a long, I need to take out this low and then run some stops and see if we can catch it come back.
I'm thinking the same thing. Failed downside auction.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see it.
A little bit of a cheap long here, but I'd rather see it sweep the low and come back.
Looking at the tilt here, 61% short in the S&P.